The max function in Excel, a comprehensive guide. The max function in Excel is one of the essential statistical functions used to find the largest numeric value in a given range of cells. This function is extremely useful in data analysis, reporting, and various decision-making scenarios where determining the highest value is crucial. Syntax and structure. The basic syntax of the max function is as follows: max number 1, number 1, number 2. These are the values or ranges from which you want to find the maximum value. You can provide individual cell references, numbers, or entire ranges. Excel allows you to include up to 255 arguments in a single max function, giving you the flexibility to search through large datasets. How the max function works. The max function scans through the specified range or list of values and returns the largest number. If the range contains any non-numeric data, e.g., text or logical values like true, false, Excel ignores those entries when calculating the maximum. For example, Excel.max A1, A10. In this case, the max function evaluates the values within the range A1 to A10 and returns the highest number in that range. Examples. Basic usage. Consider the following range of values in cells A1 through A5. Makefile A1, 5, A2, 8, A3, 3, A4, 12, A5, 7. The formula, max A1, A5, would return 12, as it is the highest number in the range. Multiple ranges. The max function can handle multiple ranges at once. For example, our max A1, A5, B1, B5. Here, Excel looks for the largest number across both ranges, A1 and B1, and returns that value. Direct input. You can also directly input numbers into the function without referencing cells. For example, for max 5, 8, 12, 3, 7. This formula would return 12. Practical applications of the max function. Data analysis. The max function is frequently used in data analysis to identify the peak value in a dataset. For example, in sales reports, it can help you quickly identify the highest sales figures over a period of time. Conditional formatting. You can use the max function to highlight the largest value in a dataset. By combining the max function with Excel's conditional formatting feature, you can visually emphasize the highest value in a table or chart, making it easier to interpret data at a glance. Comparative analysis. The max function can be combined with other Excel functions to perform more complex analyses. For instance, you could use max along with if or index to find the maximum value under specific conditions, such as the highest sales in a particular region or during a specific month. Financial modeling. In financial modeling, the max function is often used to find the highest projected returns, peak expenses, or other critical metrics that aid in decision-making. Special considerations handling. Blank cells. The max function ignores blank cells when calculating the maximum value. This is useful when dealing with datasets that contain missing or incomplete data, as the function will only consider cells with numeric values. Error. Handling. If all the values in the specified range are non-numeric, e.g., text or logical values, the max function will return. This is important to note, especially when dealing with mixed data types. Comparison with other functions. The max function is often compared with the min function, which returns the smallest value in a range. Together, these two functions allow you to quickly assess the range of your data. Additionally, when working with larger datasets, you might also use the large function, which allows you to find the nth largest value, e.g., the second or third largest. Limitations. While the max function is powerful, it does have some limitations: text and non-numeric values. As mentioned earlier, the function ignores text and non-numeric values. If you need to evaluate text data, such as finding the maximum alphabetic value, you would need to use other functions or methods. Dynamic ranges. In scenarios where your data range is dynamic, e.g., data is being added frequently, you may need to adjust your max function or use techniques like named ranges or tables to ensure the function covers the correct cells. Conclusion: the max function is a fundamental Excel tool, helping users quickly identify the highest value in datasets. Whether you're working with financial reports, sales data, or other numerical analyses, the max function can save you time and effort by providing quick insights. Its simplicity and versatility make it a favorite among Excel users, from beginners to advanced users. With a solid understanding of how to apply the max function, you can unlock new possibilities for data analysis and decision-making in your Excel workbooks.